Hi there! In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add transitions correctly in PowerPoint presentations. So, this is our PowerPoint. When you press F5, at the moment there is no any transitions yet. Press Escape to quit the full screen. So, go to Transitions. And you can select a different transition for each page manually. And again, press F5 and here is the result. But if you want to single transition for all page, you can set it once by pressing the Apply to All button. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!